guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. It's the new year. Happy new year. My goal for this year is to be consistent on this channel, so prepare for me. If you are an OG, thank you guys for sticking around. You guys know me. You can always follow me on Instagram at ItsaCurlysituation because I'm always over there. So today I'm gonna do a trim. It's actually tonight. It is 9 o'clock at night. If you guys don't know, I have a toddler and I'm a whole mom and a wife. So I have to prep my wash day a day in advance. Today I'm doing a trim. My first trim, like real good trim, since I big chopped. I'll link my video up above for you guys to see. And I just bought some shears from Amazon. I have the Professional Barber scissors. It's these scissors. These scissors, y'all, are so gorgeous. Look, they're so gorgeous, and they're royal blue. Royal blue is my favorite color. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know. So pretty. I'm scared. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start my trim. I've been styling my hair in these 6 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're just gonna go ahead and start with the back. So my hair, oh, I have on a black shirt, so I should never wear a black shirt, but you see, like right here, it's a little bit short. I should change my shirt. For optimal performance, wipe dry before use. So I'm gonna get a towel really quick. Hold please. I'm actually gonna get some tissue. Hold on. This part of my hair is very fine, like it's very fine, and this is very thick. This part of my hair is also very fine. This is my hair after I cut my hair last year in May. It has grown so much, y'all, and we about to get it to booty crack, for real, for real. I just have to learn how to keep my hair stretched. But that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.